Hello guys, today we're gonna look at the new update in Gorilla Tag. So let's look at Forest first. Whoa, look at Forest, dude. It has like a castle. That's cool.
Yeah, it was like here before then. I guess they moved the intro.
What's inside? Well, I wanna know. There's a secret cosmetic. I'm kidding, there's probably not, but it's cool in here. Alright, let's go check out City because I'm excited about City. Holy cow, you have long arms, dude. Oh my god. Okay, let's go. Okay, the Christmas tree's gone. Whoa! They got new cosmetics. What is this? Is this wrapper? What is this? Honiki? Honiki?
Monkey.
Oh, monkey. Monkey. Oh, this is cool. What? These things are cool. Let's see them. Okay, what's this thing? What does this do? Oh, you can do this for a race. You can do this for a race. Look at that. Keeps going. That's cool. And then this thing. Wait, ready? Sword fight. Oh! Oh, yo! What the? Holy! Jeez!
It like makes lightning.
Oh, it does. That is weird. Wait, sword fight. Ready? Sword fight. Ready? Cast a spell on you. Okay. And there's a magnet. What does this do? Does this actually suck up? No. It just says lightning. Oh. Oh, jeez. Okay, there's this coil hat. Oh.
Looks like a Hershey hat.
And look at this thing.
Kiss this hat.
Why don't we have legs?
Those aren't legs. That's your waist.
All right, let's go. I mean the basement, cause I'm pretty sure the sign in the forest in the stump said something about basement. Wait, let's eat the candy cane first.
Bro, stop sucking on it.
What do you mean by that? I got high on the candy cane. Too much sugar. Oh, what? What I miss?
Am I supposed to laugh at that?
Anyways, why is there a hole down here? Oh. Okay, let's go inside. Oh my. Oh! Gee, oh! Why am I green? Come here! Oh, I thought maybe it was a tag mode. Get in the water! Oh, it cleaned off. I was thinking that maybe it would do that. Oh, what's on top of the soda? Whoa! Look at these! I got Mentos! Wait, I think we gotta drop them in the soda. You know what happens when you drop them in the soda, right? Oh shoot! It's blowing! Are we supposed to get away from it? Oh! It's rising! Dude! Get up! Oh my gosh! Bro, don't get tagged by it! It's rising! Dude, run! Dude! Run! It's
all the way up. There's a rope.
Oh, there is.
I think that's a rope there.
You're green. What the?
Jump in the water, man.
I don't want to jump in the water.
I don't know.
I ain't jumping in the water. Why would I jump in the water? I think you're supposed to avoid the water.
Because you're supposed to.
I don't think you're supposed to.
Then how are we gonna get on that rope up there?
I don't know.
Oh, there's a chest up there. There's a chest.
Oh, like in the other one where you were small. Yeah, you have to get up there. Oh, I can bounce in the bubbles. Bro, oh, jeez. Wait. Oh, no. It's going out. Oh, that is cool. Let's do that again. Wait, if I got cleaned off from the water earlier, maybe I can clean you off by the... Oh, I guess not. Are you good? Buddy, you there? You there? You there? You there? Hello? Hello? Who's that? What the? Yo! This guy's teleporting.
Alright, I'm back.
Oh.
I was
Oh,
AFK for a second.
You were teleporting everywhere. What the heck no. Is that a mod? Heck no. Jeez. Louise. Okay, let's do that again.
We need to get at the top.
What's under the soda? I want to see. Yo, wait a minute. Dude, come under here. Dude, come under here. Come under the soda. Keep filling it up, though. Dude. I'm under the soda. There's like a drain down here. There's a drain. There's a drain down here under the soda. There's a drain. There's a drain. What the?
My headset's at 1%. It's about to die.
Whoa, dude, the drain's opening up. Look, the drain. It's opened up. Come down here. Oh, no. Oh, it was open. It went. Oh, he's gone. Okay, guys, I think that's the end of the video. Subscribe, leave a like. This new update is crazy, guys. Subscribe if you think so, too. Bye, guys. Now, how do I get out of here?